All right. I told you this week you need to have your instrument ready to play, so hopefully you have that. If not, you can do it in this first pause section. Also, these are just going to be 1 bar long here at the beginning. So if you're, I think we're not using the Google form this week, so you should just be able to fill out 1 bar. But if it's asking for 2, just fill out 1. Don't worry about the second one, okay? Miss Friedman puts those parts together as I'm making these videos. So I'm not 100% sure what it looks like, but you'll leave that second bar blank if need be, okay? This is week 6, rhythm 2, W6R2. You should have your instrument out. Go ahead and pause here. And I want you to try this new thing here. We've kind of set you up for this week, but let's see how you do on it without any help first. And then I'm, of course, going to walk through it with you. Pause here. All right, so let's look at it. So we know for sure that this was beat 4. So if you didn't get beat 4 there, that means you might have given up too early, okay? Sometimes you got to skip around and make sure, okay? We know this is 1 and. This takes up some sort of beat, but we do know these 16th notes have to take up a whole beat. So it's got to be 3 E and So we know that there's something happening here with beat 2, okay? And this is where we have the 3 E and where we have it broken down. And we're getting into what we call our combo rhythms now. So this is going to be 1. It's like the first half of 2 8th notes, right? Just like we've had some 8th notes and 8th note rest. This next part is going to be and because it's the last part of 4 16th notes, all right? So this would be, oh, and I made a big mistake here. Maybe you caught it already. This should have said 2. So this should have said 2 and if I had 2 8th notes, and this would have been 2 E and okay? When I stick them together to make this combo rhythm, I get 2 and 2 and that's what I've already written here. Listening to this bar, it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4. All right, so that's what we're going for. Go ahead and clap and count this one with me. Ready? 1, 2, just clap and count. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4. All right. I want you to play this on your instrument, making sure you're doing good articulation, ta 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 ta, and trying to get everything to fit. You're also tapping your foot along. Here we go. Ready? The snap is my foot tap. Ready? 1, 2. We're playing it together. Ta 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 ta. Did you do it? Let's try it one more time. Tapping your foot. 1, 2, ready, and go. And ta, 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 ta. Excellent. Let's go on to number 2. Got to erase all these secrets so that people in class don't get them. We don't want them to know our secrets. All right, let's go on to number 2. Good luck. Pause here. Try your best, and we'll come back together and discuss it. All right, so once again, we're on to rhythm 2 here. Just 1 bar here. This is only 1 bar. You should have written 1. All right, you should have known this one was on beat 3 for sure, circled or using pack bands. And then 4 and, okay? So we saw in the last combo rhythm, we had 2 8th notes or we had 4 16th notes, and we were taking a combo of the 2. So here we're taking the first part of that. So it's going to be 2 E. And then we take the second part of that, so it's and. 2 E and 3, 4 and. Listen the first time. 1, 2, listen to me. Ta, 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 ta. And you heard my foot tapping with the clapping. Or 1, 2 E and 4 and notice 3 is silent. All right, this 3 is just as important as a written note. It is one that we want to make sure that we are knowing, okay? Let's perform it together. So you got your instrument up. Here we go. 1, 2, play it together. Ta, 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 ta. Cool. Now that we're getting some of these combo rhythms, it's going to really help bring out the cool kind of music that we can play, all right? Let's go on to number 3. This has a whole bunch of the stuff we've learned in the past this year already, and a whole bunch of new stuff. Here we go. Okay. Now, if you get this one right now, you're on rhythm. You're on the rhythm right place. And hopefully, if you've been paying attention, it should be easy. So we have 1, then we have 2, and right? Because we have the second part of the 2E and we have the first part of the 2/8 notes. Then we have 3 circled, 4. Then we have a parentheses, 1 and 2. That was our lesson a couple weeks ago. And 3, 4, and. All right. Listening to it the first time and following along, I want you to clap while I am performing. Here we go. Clap and count while I perform. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, and 4, 1 and 2, and 3, 4, and. Ooh, my voice went real low on that 1 and. Not sure why. But let's try and play it and tap our foot along together. Here we go. Ready? Here's your foot tap. Got your instrument up. 1, 2, ready? Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Did you get it? Let's try it one last time together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. It's a pretty advanced rhythm. So if you're doing really well on that, you're exactly where you need to be. Congratulations. This last one, as always, is on your own. We've gone over everything in here a couple times. So just make sure you're really following along as we're doing these. This is what needs to be recorded, as well as the other ones in your form, on your Google form. This one is 2 bars long, 2 full bars for this one, so you kind of know what's going on. So kind of switch between both 1 bar and 2 bar to kind of learn some new stuff, but this one is on your own. Thank you very much. See y'all next time.